Omujira Omunaso, and Omuba 2017. We've seen Western what period? Incarceration, detention, imprisonment, and what have you. So please, for goodness sake, so June 2027, no Babaka. With due respect, again, now Babaka. Again, now Babaka. Again, I said the Christian TV that is a monomail. Again, the Christian TV now, and it's a monomail. I think I give him every respect. But my advice is that if he feels that he wants to leave the NPP now, fair enough. You don't wait even up to 2027. You can leave. But you cannot be in a political party and be throwing tantrums left, right, center, and I think that it is not fair. He's not being fair to the party. His supporters are not being fair to the party. So if my good friend Kennedy Agyapong Kokata, by now one you may be with due respect, and you're not correct.
Name, what's your name? Was say? Mutimima, or bit is a cocker. Ever did not time say, or no, I be any so. Na Nipa warrior campaign, my 1 year Bawumia. Yet you expect him to mount the campaign platform. Woman bit is such a mabronye. Ever did not time. So I look at the party I am on your BBM my party. No, it is Sunny Manu. No, what but as former chairman of the Interior and then Defense Committee of Parliament say, one year be a true must be told. And no, so many nothing. I want to be a before by a man can say 2027. Go back to Sammy.
NPP for you, 1 year, you might have party now. Please, don't you? What is Afro because Samira or you Fulani? And somebody now what is Afro man can't Bawumia. And somebody now what is Afro Blanc can't Samira. But no, maybe opinion of the party. The first what is telling me kind, you know. I'm a man for say, one hour cast or monk. The first come back for kind. The first be a coca kind. The first as soon as I'm been thinking. Yeah, praying for what party no more. We should draw the line. So do we also draw the irresistible conclusion that Binu Subana Bawumia say, Binu Bala Bawumia say, Binu Subana Samira say, Binu Sosi say, and irresistibly one outside the Kuti Pamaba can't ask them no man. We don't do that.
But Sammy Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong. And will be able to some affair who wants them. And America say, no credit, no credit. Me party form view what we are near. Na me a chairman, a bass, you can't see a call crown, or mamma, uncle, or my pussy a pine. Or can we yet? And what Sababa can say, it will be a burn a finish Fabiano and Gohana Guinea. Namuanka Samuan, ye be beer. Nah, and can no crown, can be more friends as I can. Charlie, eh, what the else want me to fat a crow? Sammy says it will be our number. No more whole press conference. Now it's a press conference now. Why no? Would he be good anymore?
No,
you.
Look, my brother, let's be very honest. Kennedy Agyapong is my friend. He has been my client before. He will continue to be my friend. He's my brother. He continues to watch. But I am saying that, look, to say, sir, woman yahoshi, by nyashi, by nyabi bibiano. And you're different from sir. The ye be pa, na mombenye. Woman ye be pa, na mombenye. Woman be friend you, I'm a bemianu. Tell me so, me, I didn't have the NPP before, oh, I don't mind you, I'm a bemiano. Me can be, Mr. Me can be. But you know, me catch you. But ye be pa, woman ye be pa. But I can say, woman, now a piano. And so, one more, well, meaning a piano. That is point number 2. So, what can Kata ask them to Banyashi? No, I'm going to press conference. The year is from store, America and PB womb. Derby. 3. So, individual be about Becca assembly, a fat will be one. You don't conclude. Say, binum na she binumupa. Anti-Sadia, Monchan 2027. We don't do that. We don't do that. No, you are in that political party. That is why I started with the definition of a political party. That is why I started with the definition of asare. And when you're there, never do all my ubetimiaka, and never be one asare with that by Nunam, and about new preco, and I'm a caster, and so now in Krabomed are growing into better than that. But you know, to say some woman, yashi, by yashi, but the year be prepared, the year be cried, send the NDC government. And it will be about why do we vote? We vote to change for the better. You are to about reset. NPP, you are 90% to crowd 100 into your too much watching. And to waba also better was so. You don't need to complain, say, what's not soon feeling okay. One year, Maba. None other thing almost about NPP to uncle. What a promise uncle because NPP didn't live up to expectation. And until no one back. Until no woman, there's no need for equalization. And the two, who the bank call, that's better the call, that the parliamentary hands are saying, Tennessee and United. Say individual be do what a W platform with you, Menamuka Saria, a bonofone baby, any matter. But will it be fair to say, sir, a bonofine for? And I saw a Mukutu possible matter, man. It will not be fair. It will not be fair. It will not be proper. Because the Katakura Namina in Funibinsia, the Binum Katas are more peaceful. We are there. So please, you are in a political party. But in 2027 June, and because you see, there's not starting in amount for say one. Say your woe and your woe. Me, Obriboy, I'm not so particular about that. The bottom line is that. In all honesty, in all sincerity, who am on your comb, and what the do's and the do's. And you say, sir, Niako for one pet, yeah. Anyway, you live. History, the same lawyer is Guzitano. In 1999, he broke away from NDC. They formed a reform party, and that's 24-hour economy secretariat. And you're not sure. So if you feel so you want to live, fine. If you feel you want to stay, fine. But even if you say you want to leave out, never mind. You can go. It doesn't change anything. The NPP will continue to be NPP. Look, Asam Naba, Nanya Asam Naba, and Kadankwa Buzia Dombo traditional, and Kenya Nunia, at the time, Madame Mark, and Kuma Pension. At the time, as in 1998, the Ghanaian film, in 1992 to 1996, and yet you know that the bottom line is that NPP, this is the formidable
political party. No, you are Kennedy Agyapong, Kweku Agyarko, Wako Agina. Na wasaba ami abeto no so aba enti oye potential leader of the party.
No two ways about that.
Moto abawie ye ne bra mo beto aba no ensem bi ko so a wono akora ka e wo nanse ne kasa ne bufu ye mu se we didi na tem me kora me ba fidie so be kan se be ya yewura Bawumia no eti onka se me am ye Bawumia no me nti sa eti ba mo nkeka Banjedi Kosuma, Wamoki Kind, some many Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong. Ebesham, Bam Yam Yedipa. What did he say? Because I'm no one yarding. Tell me a bit of and cheap, Kennedy Agyapong, a man and a can say, Yano Munya in some more can. Tell me a bit of carcass and cheap at Bawumia. If I in that Bawumia Kuradia. Kasanchini kura kotia ni member of parliament no ni member of parliament wa dentano kasanchini bi kotia Bawumia kura momo ka say ne yere ne ye fulani ni and I said you katia one said it. So are you saying say Kennedy Agyapong kwa na kasanchini bi kotia no ana are you saying say Bryce kwa na kasanchini bi tia no ana Debbie the kasanchini na ye whichever way. So it will not be fair to catch on your party say, Bawumia Mrabo and Cinema Cassette. Nanya, near Bishop Bawumia,
Also, so no, why are you not inviting Kennedy Agyapong to also come out? He says, sir, men so, you are not being fair to Bawumia. You are not being fair to Samira. We need to be fair to each other. We must be fair to each other. Maybe drawing the curtain, maybe we can't have a year to my family. The pressure, Obia, Mobia, new Obiatem, Mobia, Cassenti, Mobia, that the NPP is there. If you decide to join the NPP, you are welcome. If you decide to go out of NPP, good riddance. Good riddance. And NPP will be NPP. So, say, Yahoo, say. But NPP coach now, Womonaso, Emma, Womosanaba in 201. Womojina, Womonaso, Emma, Womoba 2017. We've seen wet period, incarceration, detention, imprisonment, and what have you. So please, for goodness sake, so June 2027, no Babakan. With due respect, again, now Babakan. Again, now Babakan. Nadiana said the Christian TV that is a monomail. Again, the Christian TV now, and it's a monomail. I think I give him every respect. But my advice is that if he feels that he wants to leave the NPP now, fair enough. You don't wait even up to 2027. You can leave. But you cannot be in a political party and be throwing tantrums left, right, center, and I think that it is not fair. He's not being fair to the party. His supporters are not being fair to the party. So in my good friend Kennedy Agyapong Kokatan, by Nyawa Jumabia, with due respect, and Yan correct. Let us be Umrenti. On the 2027 June, you see, in politics, definition of a political party, a department back of the Huabu, number 1 year better, and any other. That is the definition of a political party. And to set us out what is here, or go to them personally. I saw no one year better, I saw no one year better. So, wouldn't you man away? You are in a political party. NPP by NPP. NPP by Wunya contract. Me Obribwahe. NPP by school fees in Kuramanya Bita. Me Obribwahe. Deputy General Secretary of Kuramanya Bita. But I've decided to go with MPP. To eat MPP, to work MPP. Me Obribwahe. And I make on a year cost. Me Obribwahe. And I make on that payment. Me Obribwahe, na me call Bupeura. Me Obribwahe, na me call Dongo Chrome. Me Obribwahe, me bottom sika. Me call Abai Fakabo, the left city. Nina me cabinet said, me that's a party, me party, the bear by Bibio, Miss Mbadi, I still love the party. Bawumia Minia Kuma, Napoya Minia Kuma, Nampaya me Bonneton, and Member Media Kunya. Na Bediatuo kunya kwa nyame to nsa for me neko. So who get no party 2027 to be who be. You are not being fair to the party. Let me be very honest and sincere. You are not being fair to the party. In all fairness, you have the option to leave or you have the option to stay. You can criticize the party, yes. It should be constructive criticism. Obribo and NPP, Minipos, Miramom. Akufo Addo, was it Abansika Koye Cathedral? And yet, it's a fair criticism. That's in the message, and I mean, message, and the man. I mean, what can you actually, Obia was young people. Now, what's in your room soka? In your room soka, and say, oh, someone can force animals here. Bawumia, ever winning flag bearer back. I can need an uncle when you're otchere. And that's about me. I said, we need you. I can need for personal. What is Asante Bediatuo? What's Asante Bediatuo? So, someone can form a Sansa. And it looks like there's a justification in what some of them are saying. But maybe I'm in to. So, tell Bawumia, more man are coming to two. Me poverty to Ako Gubipom. Me poverty to Ako Gunstrom. A Pimbato Benkum. After my pin button, na Nyankopɔn aba ɛwɔ so no wɔn bɛdi Bawumia ne NAPO wɔn asɛm ama wɔn Nyankopɔn wɔwɔ soro Nyankopɔn wɔwɔ fam sɛne Nyankopɔn ɛhwɛ nipa sɛne Nyankopɔn hwɛ aboa no ma Bawumia n'akoma ntutu ma NAPO n'akoma ntutu NPP ni bia wutie mi ne bia no hwɛ soro hwɛ fam kakyɛ wo Nyankopɔn sɛ idima foto ase na Nyankopɔn wobɛkyerɛ promise land Bawumia ane NAPO ɛde mbɛkɔ meda mo ase meda tie fo so ase
me sɛ daase paa
Media. Kamo pese Ghana yeyi. Kamo maye nka no kure. Unya eya bia nenye. Na wo si wonu enti menka. Wo be den na wo kure ya waka se Ghana ye pese yeyi. Ekwan be ne faso be yeyi. Na me are disappointed in bia me offer Kwabena Agyapong. Se me kwa. Onu no e chairman. Ono no a chairman. Omu sanity unu said that Bena or the Parliamentary Select Committee on Defense and Interior. Ekoi. Now uncle checking in minutes. Say she a friend Bisaya or Kase. Omo aye at 85%. Then I echo Oma mi uncle. See, Minya, Asana Aba, NDC for mistake, NPP for mistake. Ghana and you did not to a passo and the whole yeah, the only pa, Omo Yaria, Minka, will be CCA, you didn't call China. The refer will be or call India. And to see a year, you better call India and not China. Say, Yabian to war, and I will say, oh, more dainty. Put me cut in Opibia. Me MPP for them ye better. Men can be here and you. Now, almost said, Niomo Yano, our campaign, they may dean, they can't shut me down. Ghana for Hopeson Adorye. Mummy say almost agenda 111. Almost to be completely back of Prana. Almost ton contract, you know, I demand other people at 10%. Ghana, me say, again, NPP for they should be careful with me. So maybe you're better. Only a mess beans all over the place. Now, when the culture say, me my president, I mean, maybe free me sight, you never know. I'm only thinking of the youth of this country and not NPP. Agenda 111, Mummy say, Saba Kokrom, they sold obedient contract now. Now I got home. Watching 10%. Anybody to me, we are moving about the criticizing NDC for me, and we're being so day. Contract Abraham, he said, on ye now on 11%, $55 million or per 11%, and you on clear advance 7%, and so on. Massa, Ghana, I didn't hear Queen. Ghana, I didn't hear Queen. Politicians, we are deceiving the general public. And obi antimi kama nuntu my jeans everything men kasani you obi antimi scare me e this country so long as I live na me ye Ghana ni na me tu kwan na me ho sane nkofo build wo mu kura me ma obi an scare me e Ghana ha I'm not afraid of anybody. I will only speak the truth. Enti so mo promise anyi ju o mano na bodin agenda 111 o mo agie please, I Ghana. And then, movie, I'm sorry, Bamuko Hospital, baby. We have to be fair to Ghanaians. And obviously, we are better. Now, what do I mean? Who can say me a better? Who will be? Now, what I catch yourself president, big one. Why in the catch yourself president in Kwa? Everybody, movie, I'm sorry, I'm quiet, la sulala. I'm begging. A businessman for Sika. Come and see the people that are coming to me. Mina officer me better. Opposition, who is talking? Who is talking? Because I tend to work to bring in a moto. Kasa says here, Yababa the fall. Who is defending NPP? I've been quiet. But Obia to me and Kamikasabo and show. My share down my 18. But Obia Pawanya documents I'm remember out. Rather catch them say, be me a bitter.
Honorable, now 2021 on the issue of galamsey, okay, say approach a Owusu, say your person did to us, no. But rather, because I see conscientizing the minds of omo involved no nyina emwa na etimi etu ase
NPP for we couldn't fight galamsey because majority of executives in no we galamsey and also woman control a woman platform misro home then am go country ni sa yeah more be blame obi me a better said there me say me call election me say me lose and I really don't care but I'm not going to work for NPP that mean I will have a catch say 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong and now let me talk I mean, my parents said, Mimini Abronya and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Attachia and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Adrastapo and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Chairmansa and Kojina platforms in your campaign. Mimini Koka and Kojina platforms in your campaign. You don't put out next year, Aremeyaw, you see what will happen in this country. You think I'm afraid of you guys? I am not afraid of anybody. I've decided to keep quiet. But if you push me to the wall, you will see some power. Please. Nobody can scare me in this country. Nobody. Better. Oh, God, you know how much propaganda. More station on here. Said Parliamentary Select Committee on Health. Ranking member, I can some cry and Kura and you. What's now 8 years ago? Well, who's in Kura? About I didn't tell them over here. What's now 8 years? Well, who's in Kura? And now will be about 15 months ago. Who called you in Kura? My gun a year that the youth of this country, a day will come, they will rise against us. One here, a near my basic grammar. If you see what Tunisia are only a thing, it will be a politician now, peace out here when you scar Moncoso. Now, me a bitter. This time, Obia better to be a Bediatuo. What do you mean? Abranya, who is it? Abranya, me. The man is come and call the campaign. Or say, Bawumia, Ekofa, Sammy, I'm not the true, which I say, I'm the man. The man car first. And you know what choosing I no so was stationer. Mashada Mighty. Me say from June 2027, NPP for no action or Ghana, you will be surprised. And I am not afraid of any human being. Nobody can intimidate me in this country. We will speak the truth. Anything that is not good for the country, I, Kennedy Agyapong, I will speak. If it's good for the country, I will speak. You better boni pabaso. If you won't now could defend the NPP, Mr. Sapo, I respect you a lot. And you can't call me a liar when you don't even have the information. Whoever tell Parliament, I can meet in the Diana. Please, I respect you. I will land here. But next time, Mr. Only reading in a firm, Bupa, and please, I urge you, information and sound Wabacasa. And yes, I cry out the first work as a Miss Macasa, Miss Robia, Ewagana, Opiaso Mobra, and Chen. Oh, would two crying said, you see, and respect you, love the doer, who will be to say, cock and set me, your tiny team. When even your better. And before we are ready, we see July 2027, no more action. You'll be surprised. You think I'm stupid? I'm stupid to come and follow you guys again? I'm stupid?
Honorable.
We have a 10 cents of Kennedy Agyapong. No wait and see what will happen. It's no me catch them. Me see me slow happening. No wait and see. I've given you the time. Say June 2027. You see action in this country.
Ma yana wase honorable.
Dina ma ye nyina no. Tieni. Omunko ridi, omunko tie Kenny Rogers. Minyum your friend the gambler. Now omun samu nyansa. Omun ni enti amema yeti. I know when to run and I know when to hit. Omun ni me eba wo mo fini. Now this is misro. I feel I bring up our needs and poor Ghana. Minimum, Opia, Obatabi, Obia, must feed you, must feed you. When young who about to Ghana. When young who I bring it. Now I will deal with him at my own time. Be a mabody, be a chairman's or papa, chairman's and papa in there, and the Kumasi Apari, Montimiania. Useless people.
Honorable, ma, you know us.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.